Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the baby Yoda Squishmallow. Baby Yoda was already so cute, but now he's also in squishy, cuddly form, so I had to draw it. As usual, I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing his head. Near the top, draw a wide curved line here. Close off the bottom with a slightly curved line. You should now have this dome shape. Inside, draw 2 circles for the eyes. Inside each circle, draw a smaller circle on the left side. Next to this, draw a small oval. Now color in the eyes black. For the nose, draw a small curve between the eyes. Now under the nose, draw a U shape for the mouth. Now we're going to draw some forehead wrinkles. Start with a vertical line in the center here. Now to the right of this line, starting at the top of the head, draw a line down at a slight angle inwards. Do the same thing on the left side. Next to these lines, let's draw another set of lines. At the bottom of this, curve it outwards. That's it for the face. Now let's draw the ears. Let's draw the right side ear first. On the top right of the head, draw a diagonal line up and out. Continue this line horizontally out, then curve it down and back in. Now connect it to the side of the face. For the inside of the ear, draw a line up here. Continue it around and parallel to the shape of the ear. Do the same thing for the left side ear. Now let's move on to the body. On the left bottom corner of the face, draw a slightly curved line down. Curve it in at the bottom slightly. Do the same thing on the other side. In the center, let's draw an S shape here. At the bottom, connect it to the left side. From the center, curve a line down and then connect it to the right side. Now let's draw the sides of the body. On either side, draw a vertical line down and curve it in at the bottom. Connect them at the bottom with a horizontal line. To the right of the S shape we drew earlier, draw a straight line down, then curve it in slightly at the bottom. And that's it for this baby Yoda Squishmallow. Let's color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.